Welcome back to Mastering Airport English. In today's video, we're covering how to ask for a boarding time extension at the airport in English. Whether it's due to a long security line or a late connecting flight, sometimes you just need a little extra time to reach your gate. Knowing the right phrases to ask for this politely can make a big difference in stressful situations. Let's go over the essential phrases you'll need to ask for a boarding extension with confidence and respect. If you realize that you might not make it to your gate on time, the first step is to go to the nearest airline service desk or customer service counter. Politely greet the staff and explain your situation. You could say, "Hello, I'm running a little late for my flight. Could I possibly get a few extra minutes for boarding?" Or, "Excuse me, I'm on flight number to destination and might arrive a bit late. Is there any chance of a short extension?" These phrases are polite and straightforward, showing that you need a bit of help without demanding it. If there's a reason for your delay, such as a long line at security or a late previous flight, it helps to mention it. For example, "I was delayed at security and may not make it to the gate on time. Could you please hold the boarding for a few minutes?" Or, "My previous flight arrived late and I'm hurrying to the gate. Would it be possible to wait just a little longer for me?" Giving a reason can sometimes make staff more understanding of your situation. Sometimes the staff might ask how much time you'll need. Be realistic and specific with your answer. You might say, "I should be there in about 10 minutes. Or, "I think I'll need just 5 more minutes to reach the gate if there's a short extension." Providing a specific time frame lets the staff know exactly what you need, which can help them decide if they can make an exception. If you're concerned about missing the flight completely, ask about backup options in case you can't make it on time. You could say, "If I miss the boarding time, could you help me with rebooking options?" Or, "Is there another flight to destination later today if I'm unable to make it?" This shows that you're prepared for the possibility and open to alternate solutions if necessary. Once the airline staff has let you know if they can extend the boarding time, be sure to thank them for their help, regardless of the answer. A simple, "Thank you so much for your understanding," or "I really appreciate any help you can provide," leaves a positive impression and shows respect for their efforts, even if they can't accommodate the request. If they agree to extend the boarding time, confirm the exact time you should be at the gate. You can ask, "Could you confirm the latest time I should be there?" Or, "What time should I arrive by to make sure I don't miss the boarding?" This helps ensure there's no confusion and you can focus on getting to the gate on time. Let's quickly review these key phrases for requesting a boarding time extension. "Hello, I'm running a little late for my flight. Could I possibly get a few extra minutes for boarding? I was delayed at security. Could you hold the boarding for a few minutes? I should be there in about 10 minutes. If I miss the boarding time, could you help me with rebooking options? Thank you so much for your understanding. Could you confirm the latest time I should be there?" Using these phrases will help you communicate clearly and respectfully when requesting a boarding extension. Remember, being polite and giving a clear reason can make the process smoother and increase your chances of getting the help you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more essential travel English tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.